Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video we're gonna be installing the final pieces to this puzzle, which is the LUXOR wire wheels. Alright, first of all, I have installed this hub right here, which is included with your wire wheels. Now, these are directional. The white ones always are going to go to your left hand side. The red ones, which I'll show you in a bit, are always going to go on your right hand side. This has already been bolted on, ready to go. Now, let's install this wire wheel. Yes, I am going to paint these drums later on, not right now. First of all, I want to finish up the truck so I can show you how it looks. But let's install these LUXOR wire wheel. Right here, the wire wheel has been installed. Now we're going to install the spinner. These are directional also, guys. That's the reason you need to put the white ones on your left hand side. Right there, as you can see, it says left hand side. Let's install it. There you go. Now let's tighten it up. Now this set did come with a special tool in order for you to install them. Back in the day, you used to hammer it with a lead hammer. Just hammer all this up, tighten it up. But nowadays they have invented something to tighten these wire wheels. Right here, this is a tool that you need to have in order to tighten them. Now there is a specific way it goes, which is like that. And I do have a long breaker bar. So let's just tighten it up. There it is, nice and tight. Now, also another thing that LUXOR did is called True Lock. These hubs have these bolts that are going to go in here. What that's going to do, that's going to contain this spinner from undoing. That's all it is. So we got 5. We're going to install these locks right there and then finish it up with the top of the spinner. There it is. All the 5 locks have been installed. Now we know that this spinner ain't gonna undo itself. Now let's finish it up. There you go. Now I already installed the other 3. Let me show you the truck, and I hope you liked it. Here it is, guys. Finished. I still need a couple of little details on the truck. I still need to cut and buff, but all in all, as you can see, the LUXOR wheels came out looking nice. I still need those little trims that goes there, but there it is. Hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this series of the painting of my little Lowrider mini truck. I I do have my decal right there. There it is. The roll pan, everything, guys. Now everything that was done to this truck is gonna be in the description below. All the parts that I used, the mirrors, the roll pan, everything, guys. Everything's gonna be there in the description below. And this is gonna be it for this video, guys. I'm gonna leave you with some pictures, up close pictures. Hope you liked them. And this is gonna be it, guys. This is how it came out. I hope you guys liked the videos. I hope you enjoyed them. And let's go with the next project, guys. All right, there it is. It's looking nice. I still need to cut and buff, but that'll be done later on, and it'll be ready. But right now it's looking good. Let me show you real quick. These wheels, the LUXOR wire wheels, gave it a different look. Everything's gonna be in the description below, guys. Everything that I used, the mirrors, the roll pan, everything. Everything's gonna be there. And there we go. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you very much. And like always, stay safe and God bless. I'm gonna leave you with a couple of pictures so that you can see up close pictures. Hope you enjoy.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paid my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every coded lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paid my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Midnight oil burns, streaks of sweat on the hood. Every flaw whispers, about to shine for good. Spray guns hum like the streets understood. Far away, birth speed, art where rust once stood. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't